In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and share Discord profile link. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable URL you can send to friends, add to your bio, or use anywhere you want people to view your Discord profile. Start by opening Discord. Look for the gear icon near your avatar. That's user settings on desktop. On mobile, tap your profile in the bottom bar, then the settings gear. Inside settings, scroll to the app settings section and open advanced. This is where Discord keeps some power user options. Turn on developer mode. This doesn't change how your account behaves, it simply unlocks extra options in menus, including the ability to copy unique IDs. You can always toggle it off later if you prefer a cleaner menu. Head back to Discord and open your profile. On desktop, you can click your avatar or username in the sidebar or bottom bar to bring up your profile card. On mobile, tap your profile to open it. With developer mode on, you'll now see the option to copy your user ID from the profile menu. On desktop, right-click your username or the profile card and select Copy User ID. On mobile, tap the three dots on your profile and look for Copy User ID. When you do this, Discord copies a long string of numbers to your clipboard. That's your unique identifier. Next, build your shareable link. In your browser or anywhere you're composing a message, type https:/discord.com users and paste the user ID right after the final slash with no spaces. It should look like a full URL ending in that long number. The older https:/discordapp.com/users/format also works, but using discord.com is the most up to date. Press enter to test it if you're in a browser. You should see a page that displays your Discord profile. That's the exact link you can share. If the link doesn't open, double check that you didn't add extra characters and make sure you copied the user ID from the profile with developer mode enabled. Also confirm you pasted the number directly after the slash. If you used a mobile device, try again from the profile's three-dot menu to ensure you grab the correct ID. That's all there is to it. Enable developer mode, open your profile, copy your user ID, and paste it at the end of https:/discord.com users. Once you've created the link, feel free to turn developer mode off if you like a simpler interface. Share that URL wherever you need, and you're good to go.